What if you could lose weight by changing when you eat? The diet industry has long promoted the same failed advice. Obesity rates rose while people struggled with diets. Science now supports a better approach. Intermittent fasting, IF, is a method focusing on meal timing that aligns with your body's hormonal rhythms. No calorie counting, costly plans, or food restrictions are needed. Today, we'll explore how IF works, effective methods, and steps for quick weight loss. Segment 1. Why intermittent fasting works. Intermittent fasting effectively triggers metabolic shifts in your body. Eating raises blood glucose and insulin. High insulin prevents fat burning. Fasting lowers insulin, stabilizes blood sugar, and activates fat breakdown after 12-16 hours. This metabolic flexibility kick starts significant fat loss. IF reduces insulin resistance, increases growth hormone release for muscle preservation, and promotes cellular repair, lowering inflammation. Segment 2. Best method for fast weight loss. Various IF protocols exist, but the 16-8 method is ideal for beginners. Fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window. A practical schedule. Last meal by 8 p.m., break fast at noon. Sleep through most fasting hours. This method feels manageable, like skipping breakfast, leading to higher compliance. For faster results, try the 18-6 method, extending the fast for quicker fat loss. Segment 3. What to eat. Your food choices matter. Prioritize protein, which helps burn calories during digestion and preserves muscle. Include eggs, chicken, fish, and legumes. Half your plate should be non-starchy vegetables like leafy greens and broccoli. Add healthy fats from avocados and nuts. Limit or avoid refined sugars and processed foods that spike insulin and hinder weight loss. Segment 4. What to do during fasting. Avoid breaking your fast early by consuming forbidden items. During fasting, drink plain water, black coffee, or herbal teas. These help with appetite and energy. Avoid food and anything calorie-containing like milk or creamer. Chewing gum with sugar disrupts fasting. Hunger is hormonal and temporary. Segment 5. How to start. Don't start with a 16-hour fast immediately. Delay breakfast by 1 hour daily until reaching the target. This gradual approach helps with adjustment. In the first week, bloating decreases, often resulting in 2-4 pounds lost. True fat loss occurs in weeks 2 to 4. Early side effects may include headaches and irritability as your body adapts. Stay hydrated and maintain electrolyte levels to ease symptoms. Closing. Intermittent fasting aligns with how our ancestors ate. They naturally fasted, allowing our bodies time to repair and regulate. Skipping breakfast isn't harmful, it supports your metabolism. Start simple, stay consistent, and trust the process.